the seas from the land, and you called out, brought from both birds and chose and made man. In your image you made him like you. You called out all else. You called out all else by your voice, and it all came to be by your will. But man, you breathed your life in him. I was made for you. I was made for you. Only you, you alone I will serve. You alone I will long for. I will cling to you alone, for you are my God. I was made for the King. And I will follow him. I was made for my Father, good, good Father. How he loves me, and he knows me, and he calls me his own. I was made for the Lord God Almighty. His name is